subscribe to ARZONE channel and also click into the bell icon for more updates and for more videos.
Okay guys, in this video we will talk about Nokia xr20. So if you are interested, like this video. And today is the tech news number 11. So hey guys, I am Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. So subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon so that you can find the tech news at first. So let's begin. Okay, Nokia xr20. Its display type is IPS LCD and its display size is 6.67 inches. Its resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels. Its operating system is Android 11. Its processor is Qualcomm SM4350 Snapdragon 485G, and its internal storage is 64 GB and 128 GB. Its RAM is 6 GB and 4 GB. Its back camera is 48 megapixel. Its front camera is 8 megapixel. Its charging is 18 watts fast charging. Its battery capacity is 4630 milliampere. Its body dimension is 171.6 into 81.5 into 10.6 mm. Its weight is 248 gram. So that is our video. Subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon so that you can find this type of tech news regularly. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.